legend is in the building. It's Heidi Cabasa. Ladies and gentlemen. Boss, welcome.
Thank you, Cheche. Thank you.
Welcome. Because they do that before you don't call like this. They throw red carpet like this. Yes, now. Don't be saying any person don't deserve her. Person don't deserve her. Let him just cook anything he want to cook. We will eat.
Me will say I cook better.
Heidi Cabasa, always a special honor to fit, get the opportunity to talk to you, to fit even see you. You know, the first thing will come my mind. Why you select these people where you select and put them in the song? Because it's not just that easy for Heidi Cabasa to just pick you. You go don't see something. So I want to make you take your time on this show today. Okay. Analyze one after the other. What do you see?
Okay. So there is a journey. I could try speak pidgin more.
Yes.
You get the kind journey we say I did do.
We don't catch you today. Today no be outside. They fly up and down around the world. They give speech. Today they speak pidgin.
Now waiting they craze me with that.
All right.
So it gets waiting I try do with this particular project where they work on.
Yes.
The one we can do before that photocopy. You go notice say I choose Vector because say the guy is one of the most brilliant person I know.
Yeah.
And he was talking on identity. This particular song is very, very dear, not just to myself and nice, but I think to many people with these streets. So within this song they talk about how we did still, despite the option we life give us.
Yes.
Especially some of us we come from some kind of area where we say people no believe, say better people they come out from there, which is waiting people they call streets. Despite all the options we will get, say maybe we do crime, maybe we do some of those things, music still gave us a better life. So when I want to do this song, and this song they particularly emotional to myself and Nice, because I remember the day when Nice they record this song, he cried. When he told me the meaning of the song, I cried.
Olufumi.
No, not this.
Not this.
Anytime.
Okay,
yes,
this anytime.
He cried because the song telling story.
Yeah.
It tell the story of when they come from, how God take them from. It was describing poverty. Inside the original song, it was saying things like, I don't know whether you know this song. This food soup where you people they call may I describe them? You know that very watery soup where we say if you just put a bar like this, before you put them for mouth, you don't roll. You don't liquor. So when we won't do this song, I need people who say they don't experience the kind thing where we talk about. I know just one person will be say life don't do good too. We no go fit explain.
We no go understand.
So the first person will come my mind then na Bella.
Bella Shmuda.
Yes, because Bella there among the guys will be say.
So with I want me to pay attention now. Anytime we they talk about it's Heidi Cabasa, it feature Bella Shmuda, it feature Ayomorph and Ajebo Hustlers. Okay, so we are on Bella now. So
Bella, obviously, when Bella go really come out.
Yes.
I had an impact because I may produce that song going do with olamide.
Yes.
That year.
Yes. Now the one where 20 something 2020 Vision 2020 beautiful song.
That time I know Bella, I know where Bella they come from. Bella and her boy will be say like every other Nigerian guy with their streets. We be say they never really dey sure of waiting they won't do. If this one work, we go do them.
We go do them if it don't work.
And then get talent. So the first person will come my mind that time, na Bella. So I go meet Bella, explain the song to her. I say, look, this song, you know, just will be vibe on vibe. That na story I want make you talk about how it take happen for street and where you dey now. Almost like saying, if not before God though, say I can't do this music thing. Bella take him. Ayomorph, I don't dey observe Ayomorph for a while.
Ayomorph, yes.
Funny Ayomorph come from the area where I come from.
The same area.
Axis, yeah. I don't dey observe the boy. He get waiting I say about this boy. This boy is highly talented.
What a blessing for Heidi Cabasa to the observe Ayomorph. And I'm sure at this time Ayomorph not even know it's in the shop.
Ayomorph no know me. He know me, but he don't know say I actually dey watch out.
Oh.
The first person who actually mention him to me, now Olamide. Olamide tell me say, bros, get another boy where they come out from wood saying one make I hear him. I can't they hear they send me videos where the boy they do. I hear the boy that night. I call Ola. I say this boy gets crazy, very unique talent. Then he can't do song with Fireboy. I couldn't hear the song. Me, I dey listen to people beyond anything where they sing about. I called the boy up. I say, look, on this part, yes, say on this particular song, you because now I think I go reach out to him on top Instagram.
You go on Instagram?
Yes, now.
Oh, Cabasa, they rush me for this interview. You go on Instagram?
Yes, now.
Go buzz up for Instagram.
Yes, now. I say, look, this song, say it get one song go where they do based on this. And I explained to you, Ayo's response was very, very, very unbelievable, because say people for this their generation,
yeah, the Jazzies,
they know they too they send people. The response with the boy give me, I won't cry. Say at least finally I don't see one Gen Z with they
when he heard they correct.
When say hey, they very calm. I was very happy. Then for the Ajabo Hustlers, I don't also they follow the Ajabo Hustlers. Then I get many of their friends as people with they around me, where they always tell me, say, like the guy who shoot this video now, himself Sabi then, about all their journey for Port Harcourt and all of that. You go even hear some of the things we then say inside the song. We talk about their journey for Port Harcourt, how then they join their mama, Hawk Bolly.
Yes,
how then they sell
Hustler.
for my, what's the name of that bridge? Under that flyover bridge for Port Harcourt. Ayo, you go hear Ayo pain when Ayo. In fact, that part for me really got me when he sending verse.
So you take you look every one of them don't go through.
They get stories.
They get story to tell, which be where you they come from to.
Yes. I know just want me you can't give me vibe on vibe. No.
Oh my God, music no be enter go drop again. You guys said there must be something to. I love this one. This strategy, this way where we say you plan and inspired to deliver, and they tell their story.
All of them told their story. Bella was on point. Ayomav, in fact, there's a part where Ayomav talks, say, he asks him mama, say we in papa, and mama tell him say Baba don't go America, whereas the Baba don't die. And say that in the common.
Yes. For
area we say because they don't want make say your
make
pardon.
Waiting they happen.
So that one self get to me. It reminds me of one line when I put for the song, and all of those, and the four of them actually delivered to the script that they were giving.
Lagos, I'm going to give you time to listen to the song, and DJ Indo, don't just scratch.
Not even today I start this reimagining.
I know. So now I take you back.
I remember say for which album was it? Even when we just finished Gonga's album that time, I started reimagining some of those songs. Say,
you don't mention Gonga, so I remember me eyes nice now.
So I just that time I would just look, say, okay, get us, we do this song, we should do them another way. So all of those things now climax to where we did now. Say, okay, those songs I no believe say they suppose just come
end like that.
And basically, I did try tell the Afrobeat story, because sometimes I go online now and some of the comments where they see, because we know they document some of the things we don't happen around there. People go just to forget people nowadays, they pay at all. They will just say, which song? That song, no be this, no be that. Sometimes if you go hear some people talk, say a particular song where everybody knows saying that this person do. Then go talk saying that the person we just they do am newly. So all those complication, I just can't think, say, okay. Then they do them abroad, where then go bring old song back. Many of the hits where people know abroad, they are songs that have been sung in 60s, 70s.
They bring them back. They reimagine it.
Just to reimagine. Because at the end of the day, creativity is not you creating really anything new. It's you recycling what has already existed.
Drop it.
So
don't take me there. Now another side of you now. No carry me go there.
In fact, a day among the, I just look and say, look, it get us, we take film that time. It get us, this generation, we take film. So I can't do over time. We say, I go bring the chorus, bring some of the elements from the old one, bring the vibe where all these are young people, they do now. So the best way to even make the vibe really day new, we say, already I don't take from the old, will be the chorus and some elements. May I bring this young
Boss
guys
my
to
head.
come
Boss my head.
May we just do it. May we create something new out of waiting day old and all of this. So now where all these things take start.
Amazing. Now, aside from the song don't come out now. And it is available. With a plan video.
The song don't get video. The video too is out.
Awesome. So they come out at the same time. Now they say a legend, they do things. Now, aside from these people where you don't put up now, I hear the reason why you put them up. I want to ask you something. Tell me, off top of your mind now, who be the street sensation where you also they watch from where you dey. But you never feature them.
Them plenty.
Just mention 2 for me. Maybe they go hear them first on this show.
Okay, the ones where they look, I actually don't feature them.
Okay,
now.
The ones where you never feature. Because I know
it gets some.
Yes,
where they actually look at. There's a guy, that boy, nobody don't know him for now. Because the boy never, the name na Uche.
His name na Uche?
Yeah, Wonder Boy.
Uche, Wonder Boy.
Yeah, nobody don't generally see him, say, come in. The boy, they rap.
Uche, where
the
you
boy,
dey?
They very brilliant. I don't already reach out to the boy. Now, guy will be say, I don't talk to already behind the scene. But there are also some new ones that people already know now.
Yes.
We beside talks I don't already feature.
Yes.
Show Day.
Okay, Show Day.
Yeah, you listen to what is it called? Fola. That is with Bella Shmurda.
Yeah.
Couple of these guys, you know, they are talented. There is the hunger that is coming from the streets that you will see
but
inside them.
Cabasa, what do you look out for these young people?
I look out for more than your talent, and I also look beyond your flaws. Because sometimes, beyond your flaws. Sometimes we overjudge people on top, say, waiting in the talk, waiting in the do. Because at the end of the day, if you keep treating the symptoms, will be waiting you they see, you will never fix why then they do waiting then they do.
So you get where they come from.
Yes, so
just like waiting you reimagine for any time.
We reimagine, say, look, you get where these people they come from. They are trying to survive. What if you carry that same energy? You can't direct the energy in the right path and all of that. Today we they reimagine a lot of nice classic, and some of the comments where we they get online, we say this thing they remind people of when then they go through something. Say this song help them. If you ask Nice, say where Nice they come from. Nice go tell you say in they come from place where be say no be saying supposed to end up the way we take.
But Nice never complete or never win a Grammy.
So Nice when Nice talk for street credibility.
Yes, he said go win Grammy. No defender. Go ahead.
Recently, he also, and it's not because he said it recently.
Yes.
I could actually remember that he also mentioned it that I did. Then Nigerians know they win Grammy.
Yes.
To him, it was a prophecy. Say one day.
It was a prophecy.
It was a prophecy that one day this street credibility will be say, and by the way, street credibility on its own is going to be a movement soon. Say people from
you heard
here.
First.
You understand that people from here
will begin
start winning Grammys. So you go notice anytime when anybody win Grammy, Nice they always go online.
It's a trend.
So, yeah.
Himself go trend before he come online.
Trend and you go online to go they talk because to Nice now prophecy say it go happen and people should not.
Now, no understand. Nigerians no understand wetin Nice talk. But now they drag and make it win. Now, so many people don't they win. I don't want to mention names, meaning is prophecy fulfilled.
Yes, it is. Sometimes it's like waiting at the column, Moses and Joshua. Now Moses carry them come out. He remember them cross. Now Joshua take over. How many of us will it be like Moses? Say after you don't walk, you can't leave the glory.
And
the reason why you go see now where the problem the day among some of the legends and the new guys be that because the legends are not ready to pass the baton.
No, say that you don't reach to pass the baton. Leave me alone. The way you're moving can be likened to Shango. It is well with you. Cabasa, you saw these lyrics. Are you approved it? Beautiful one. I love it.
So story there around this one. Too,
yes.
Because okay, we're talking love here.
Yes.
Especially for the video.
Yes.
I was looking for different sides to love.
Yes.
I think I've told people many times. If you listen to Fireboy and you watch the video, one particular place it talks say, only you, they my corner, they my circle too. And inside the video, we see another babe for a corner. You go no see that one a player. Odumodo Black, we run away from the gangster love, but we have a lot of them. You understand? I think because we don't talk so much about that gangster love is some of the reason why some ladies are still falling for.
Yes.
But the particular girl we use, we make sure say she know for that. Then we brought the angel. You know, Budge. Budge was a calm guy. The guy
amongst every other person.
Everybody will know Budge. No say Budge not go even dance with woman inside music video because of him babe.
Yes.
And the girls still not receive Budge. The same way they leave Kaka. Where woman talk say like Kaka too perfect. Then we now come bring the one way we still think okay they decent, but it's still they do jai kind of like with maybe Joe Boy.
Yes.
the girl still no can follow. But guess who the girl can follow?
We then listen. We follow.
Now the OG. And the OG for the video, by the way,
yes.
the way they take package,
yes.
they say, "I be man of God."
Yes.
Saying a man of God, babe, go still eventually
follow.
When you reach to marry, people they always talk, say men they look for all of those things, but they also forget, say women too. By the time we reach time to marry, them too, they don't want marry wala.
Yes.
They just want marry.
Everybody just want peace.
Yes.
So. Okay. So I loads and loads of things where I go like talk, but some people they believe say street sounds them. They encourage a lot of things, especially in our setup, in our system. That they believe say they encourage fraud, they encourage violence, they encourage beef between each other and all that. I want to hear your opinion about this.
Okay, I talk say get waiting with the work on, especially with the song script credibility. People first thing we are go talk, we say people need to understand. Say when you hear street, mean area, mean crime. It means survivor.
Survivor.
It's actually a mindset. You get street IQ, you get street
credibility, street IQ, streetwise,
you
whatever.
Understand? So even when you talk streetwise is almost like knowing how to survive.
To survive.
So context, most times we define things from context, not for what they are. When we define context, and the people they talk say street guys, they all sue people, they do all of those things. They are not wrong too, because those contexts now be one of the things where I won't try correct. Say, look, you can actually be streetwise and not get to smoke and do all of those things.
And do all those things.
Even treating and just condemn. Should I use the word, say, would they criticize some of the things where these people they do? If we start to ask why then they do them, sincerely, we will go get solution to actually solving those things. Like, let's say, for instance, abuse of substance and all of those things. Now, escape route for many of these guys. A lot of them. You understand? So what if we fix that problem of identity crisis within they get, that problem of poverty, that they feel that they cannot become something? What if we are able to fix all of those things? You understand? Which is why I'm doing
like a working system.
Yes. Which is why I'm doing some of these things to let them know that, look, you can actually survive without you getting into crime, without you doing some of this. Like for me now, I know they smoke, I know they drink, I know they do all of those things. And you can't say I don't have street cred. I grew up around Bariga. You understand? Bariga will be a real ghetto and all of those things. And today, I know do all of those. And not be just me, many people like that.
A lot of people too.
So until we start to push out some of the things that some people do, yet they don't get to do the other ones.
Because some people think saying like a certification, like you have to do this thing.
That if you don't correct that mindset, we will keep churning out.
You're not gonna be a hard boy if you know smoke, if you know pursuing man.
And who talks in our boys with this street alone? They do all those things. I live here for Lekki. It was because them even fit afford.
Yes, now money day now they can abuse these things.
They can abuse things. So the major thing is maybe we work on people's mind.
I want to know coded tunes. I go always mention coded tunes. You don't give us a lot of people, right? You don't give us people like Olamide, Nice, and people like Too Short, Reminisce them. Loads and loads and loads of people where we get. And over the years, you be the founder of these coded tunes. Please, when will they do reunion?
So this particular project will lead to that.
If I not ask, you don't go tell me.
So you are the only person.
Perfect. So reunion.
We actually tried the reunion. Which year was that? Was it 2015 thereabouts? Yeah, we tried to do a reunion, but I won't lie to you, we couldn't afford it. Because I was the one that was
too expensive.
Yeah, we were going to use a co-hotel. A co-hotel was billing us almost 20-something million then, and all of those things. Then too many things. We were looking for sponsors. But I won't blame the people that didn't come out to sponsor us.
Yes.
Because I think we should also be responsible enough to know that people want to see a move before they
put their money on.
That was why we had to first do this move.
But this reunion now go big past normal because from coming from the journey, some new people don't reimagine themselves inside the reunion.
Yeah, they don't reimagine the reunion. So definitely with the expectation be say already the picture no really don't form for my head though, but how we go take big.
You don't form for my head. Yeah, they for front.
The picture is
ID Cabasa,
it's coming. This is coming with a documentary. It's coming with a lot, not just music. For me,
what make me ask you this question?
You know what? Because for me now, I'm at that point for my life where they say I don't feel the talks I want blow or I want do music, make people take
blowing already.
Because you can't. I don't talk this thing many times. I know if you pass the test of popularity, I don't pass the test of essence. So essence for me is waiting be the legacy, not just the legacy where we go live.
I think Cabasa, you know, Safi keep you here till 3 o'clock, Sha. Are you catching any flights today?
No.
If I wow.
So we won't put that legacy for people's mind, and we also want to tell the young guy, in fact, street credibility. I believe I don't tell you before,
yes.
But may I talk him again?
Yes.
Street credibility. The first one I want to pull out now for girls, ladies. I don't want, you know, that stereotype where people they talk and only boys,
yes.
only men,
yes.
they blow for the music
yes.
industry.
You know, yes, go ahead.
We want to stop that narrative that, look, in the realm of the spirit, you know, get male and female.
You know, get male and female.
So we need to understand, saying that just our body structure now ain't they different. So the music industry too have to understand, say even our girls, our ladies, our women, they also get straight credibility.
I want to see them.
You understand?
That song, I want to see Waiting You.
Yeah, that song will come
Cabasa,
out.
please.
I think it's the next one, have you? Yeah.
And you they come back here. I want to ask you, Akon talk something a few days ago. How is it possible? Akon talk say na him be the person who create this Afrobeat. Now as he can't discover this, then we now can't wake up as Mongo Park take discover this thing.
You don't answer the question.
No, ma'am, his own might be true.
Which true? You already answer.
No answer yet. We'll come back and they go break. No answer, because I really want to hear your mindset about this matter. As I hear, you know, when I hear them, I just come, they look at con, they look and I look and finish. I come say, okay, maybe the dates no they tally for my head. I say, okay, thank God say you there here and you go answer that question. Lagos, so they come back, then I go just open phone line, and then before I do Cabasa, I go now go. I'm wrapping up now, and I go open the phone line, just like 5 calls. That one be. But then we ask question about Akon. Akon talk say na him be the person, na him discover, na him create Afrobeat, na him set the motion for waiting with the scene now across the world.
Akon a person I like. So I no go want to talk about Akon, but I go talk about the thing we in talk. And I no go to blame Akon for why Akon they talk waiting in the talk, because we serve now one of the things we are don't list they try talk, we say we need to own our narratives. If we no quick put out our narratives in terms of documenting it and really pushing it out there, as we take do another person go come. Like you rightly said before, say a girl has then takes up, say somebody now discover
water where people they bath, they
do
everything.
People they bath, they do everything.
They catch fish.
So you know, even the people we mention, all of these people don't they do these things. Even before those people, there were people that were doing where they do this thing that time. Yes, the name feel no day say na Afrobeat that time, but this particular sound, if for talk say na still discover the likes of them Two-Face, the likes of them Timaya, the likes of them Nice and Co. And I not be only that one thing in don't talk before. We say I know to agree with her.
But I feel like say maybe in one trend he knows the numbers, he know what people go talk or like the touch there or not.
The guy big go now. Waiting at this in our context. I believe say now with the people we don't roll with when they come Nigeria, in belief say, and you know as with the deck do for the lowest rate. When we will tell people say I'm the biggest person around this place, anything we do with me, so probably he don't feel say now him bring those things. You understand?
Make them happen.
Yeah, the bunch did stuff. Way a lot of stuff. We say the world on the film. Nice don't do stuff. Nice perform for Mandela show. And all of those things. Two-Face, DB, and all of those people. Even these guys where you mentioned
their name
those
now.
Those guys, they had their stuff going on for them before they met you. Yes, with most times all in the name of collaboration, we won't also leech on some of these guys where they are brought. But that one only say you can't
start something. Now you start Afrobeats, you create that.
You can't even the way we take the talk about Wizkid. You know, be waiting the story be that. We all know say Banky, then sign Wizkid, don't they work? Yes, collaboration, we collaborate with you on top distribution and all of those things. No me say you go talk, say now you create Afrobeat. Because Afrobeat no be waiting one person create. Now culture, now the sound they the merchandise day, the language
way
dey,
of life,
way
a
of
sound,
life.
where
You
don't
can't
they?
say where you come
say
from.
now
where
you
go talk.
create them. So person they come from, I don't understand. Now still that one go pack set.
Yes, but I like am. But why that one? Why he won't pay me small? Be say even a fellow African man, he no supposed to talk like that. Yeah, but now person will be say, I don't go lie you. Now person where I don't hear in music, why I love, we don't inspire
the
music.
talent, yes.
But I think there's I understand. He's also trying to give a narrative to it, but it should not take off the fact that you met it already.
You come when this thing done there, but because I believe say he no go fit even come do anything if he no see something on ground.
Yes, now everybody don't.
Yes, now because everybody wants his business. So
make we no throw Akon under the bridge. We know say many other people from the UK and all of that people, everybody they claim saying that them start this movement, and so now Nigerian thing. Sincerely, now Nigerian thing, we need to be careful. And this thing I don't talk and I don't tire. Say no gatekeep if Afrobeat.
Yes.
What you can do is make sure you are keeping yourself
play a part
relevant in the conversation.
Yes.
You understand? And in the bit of trying to keep yourself relevant in the conversation, if you lie, they'll go find you out. You understand? And when they find you out, the thing go turn to wala for you because people no go believe any other thing.
Yes.
Where you don't talk
Where
before.
you don't talk before. So, I mean, gonna be like say you just waste your time now.
Afrobeat has even me I know fit claim to say they among
even though say many they claim you get one side so you supposed
but I know go fit come out come they talk say because me say if I get people where I meet there we don't they do and we me say look up to before I start to they do it and I they do. You understand?
You know we never talk about that side of thing, but may I leave that side for now because of time. ID Cabasa, thank you so much for coming. We appreciate you on Top Wazobia FM.